Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Code Freely. In today's video we will learn how can we calculate powers. For example, 2 raised to the power 2. How can we get the value in Python, and also we will learn modules by importing the module in Python. So let's see some write-up first. So here the POW method with two parameters x and y function returns the value of x to the power of y. So let's do it practically. For example, if we say that S is equal to POW power, and we want to 2 raised power 2. So if we print this S, we get 4. So if we change the base of this number as 4, we get different value. We get the value 16. So because here you are multiplying 4 into 4, because 4 has got power 1, and if we multiply the same number we get the power add. So 4 into 4 is 4 raised power 2, which is 2 here. So we get the answer as 16. So if we change this to base is 6, then we get 36, because 6 into 6 is 36, or 6 raised to the power 2 is 36. So like this we can get the power formula. And if we, for example, we say that D is equal to, okay, we will do it in our next exercise. So let's see how can we import the math module. So in order to import or use, you must import the math module like this. And when you have imported the math module, you can start using methods and constant of the module like this. The math dot sqrt, which is square root method, for example, returns the square root of number. So we can write import math, and if we store this square root of 64 in x, so we get the square root. So let's import math module, and if we store this value of square root in a variable, then we can write, we always write this import math, and we put dot, and we write our method, and inside method, for example, we want to get the square root of 9. So in a we will get the square root of 9. So here the square root of 9 is 3. So for example, in variable t, we want to get the square root of 625. So let's see what we get. So we get 25. So 25 is the value of this square root. So in here, if for example we want to calculate the power of 5 and 5 raised power 2, and we get the value of we get the value stored in variable v. So if we print this, we get 25, and if we want to square root of, if you put inside we want to take the square root of the value coming by calculating the power method. So we will get 5, because in here this will give the value of 5 raised to the power 2, which is 25, and 25 we calculate the square root, which is 5. So like this we can calculate by using module, by importing the module, and for example we want to calculate the ceiling in Python. So here we store the ceiling, which is the next integer, by rounding this value, and we get the floor value, which is the integer, by rounding down to the floor value. So let's run this, and we get here 1.4. so next upper rounding value of our integer is 2, and if we round downward, we get the value of 1. We remove 0.5 4 here, and here we add 0.6 and we get the 2. So like this we can calculate. So in our next video we will see some more good things in Python. So keep watching my channel Code Freely and learn Python to be a good Python programmer and developer. So subscribe my channel and add comments if you like.